Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss how to find the similar things when you compare two columns. So when you wanted to compare two columns, how you can find the similar things within the two columns. So first of all, I have taken two columns as an example. So first A column I have uh, pasted it in a new sheet, and the other one which you wanted to compare, I am gonna take that column to the D column in the other sheet. So remember, you have to paste the other column in the D column of the new sheet. So I am showing you what are the common things I have kept to show you people as an example. So I have taken the 5, 6, 7, 8 and copied in the D column and A, B, C as well. So here I am going to show you how you need to remove the extra spaces that are present in the A column. So that is equal to trim open braces, and you have to put the A column over there and close it, and you need to copy that formula all over the B column. And on the other hand, in the C column you need to type Y, and same thing, you need to copy the Y all over the C column. And now the major part is that you need to drag B and C and remove that and put whatever you want to put there, any name of your wish. So I have taken here MIKE, Mike, and entered, and please enter there. And now if you drag B and C, you can see MIKE for confirmation. Now in the E column we have to type the main formula, that is VLOOKUP open brace D, the column which you wanted to compare with the A column. It is D, comma MIKE. That will highlight B and C. You can cross check over here. And 2 comma false, FALSE. So close the braces over here and copy that formula all over the E column. Yes, we are done now. So yeah, you could see the result over there, right? As I told you earlier, this column and ABC. So you can also cross check by putting the filter column over there, and you can unselect everything and you can select only the Y option. So here it is, the output. Hope you found my video useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching this video.